Good morning, children. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, good, fine. Only 11 participants has joined so far. Okay. Okay, now it's 31. How many children are there in your class? You know the strength?
44. 44.
44. Okay, okay.
40. 7, please.
Please mute your audio. Mute it. How are you all?
Fine, ma'am.
Fine, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Happy to see you again. Adityan, turn on your video. Okay, fine. Okay. Now it's 40. Shall we start the class?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, once again, good morning to all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Okay, children, let me revise the points which I have taught you on the last class, okay? We just discussed about equality, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, then Amal, can you tell me what type of government does India have? Amal Anthony. Amal Anthony,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me what type of government does India have? Sorry, I can't hear any response. You know the answer, Amal?
No. No, ma'am.
No. Parvati,
Democracy.
very good. India has a democratic form of government. Amal, is it clear now?
Yes.
Then tell me what you meant by democracy, Amal.
Democracy is a form of government where people are free to choose their leader.
Yes, very good. Democracy is a form of government in which people are free to choose their leaders. Correct answer, perfect. Okay. Okay, fine. Then Sri Hari,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me which are the key elements of a democracy or democratic government? Key elements.
Elements.
We have studied three features or three elements.
Ma'am, adult franchise. Ma'am.
Key elements. Through adult
Ma'am, I don't
franchise
know.
means adult franchise means that?
Yes, yes.
Explain it.
Uh, um,
Yes.
and people above the age of 18 are
People above the
allowed
age of
the age
18
of 18 are allowed to vote.
are allowed to vote. That means
Vote.
that people's participation.
Station.
Understand?
Yes.
The key elements of a democratic government. The first one is people's participation. That means that through the election, people are choosing their representatives. Okay, and we are taking a part in our government. Okay. Is it clear? People's participation.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Then, Anan, can you tell me the next one? Anan Hajit, the key elements Sri Hari has talked about people's participation. The second one. I think this one you have studied in 6th standard, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, tell me.
Ma'am, I have forgotten it.
Forgotten.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Anusha, can you tell me?
Conflict
Very good. Conflict resolution. What do you mean by conflict resolution, Anusha? Can you explain about it?
solving the conflicts.
Yeah, very good. Solving the conflict, ending the conflict in a peaceful manner. Okay. Is it clear, Anan, now? Anan?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then can you explain what you meant by conflict resolution?
These people, make people solve the country's problems.
Sorry, it's not clear.
Ma'am, the cities are solving the country problems.
Yes, resolving the conflicts. Okay, in a peaceful manner. That is meant by conflict resolution. Okay, is it clear? Okay, then Arjun. What is the key feature of a democracy or the third element? Arjun. Arjun, am I audible? Parthiv, can you tell me? Parthiv, which is the third element? Don't talk in between. Parthiv, can you hear me? Yes, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. The third element.
What?
People's participation, conflict resolution, and the third one. Sorry, I'm not hearing anything. Parvati Menon. Parvati.
Equality.
Very good. That is equality. Okay, equality is the key feature of a democracy. Okay, is it clear, children? What are the key elements of
Yes, ma'am.
democracy?
Yes, ma'am.
First one is people's participation. Second one, conflict resolution.
resolution.
And the third one, that is
Equality.
Hessa, are you here? Hessa? Okay, okay. So, universal adult franchise, okay, is based on the idea of equality. Okay, in India, all citizens, okay, or all adults, means when they turn into 18, irrespective of their social and economic background, they are allowed to vote. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Universal adult franchise
Yes, ma'am.
is based on the idea of equality. Right?
Yes.
Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the next question
ma'am.
come. What do you mean by equality? Lakshmi, can you answer me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me then.
Everyone is equal.
Yes. How?
Ma'am,
Yes.
there is no rich and poor to us.
Yeah.
Everyone is equal to us.
Very good, very good. Equality means that treating everyone as equal. There is no discrimination on the basis of their religion, caste, gender,
Color.
and their economic background, whether they are rich or poor. Okay, or a boy or a girl. Okay, or lower caste or he is from a higher caste. There is no discrimination at all. Okay, that is meant by equality. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Emlina, can you tell me what you meant by equality?
Ma'am, equality means all are equal.
Yeah, irrespective of their
Huh?
completed.
Ma'am, all are equal. Everyone have equal rights.
Yeah, all are equal before the law.
Everyone have equal rights.
Yes, irrespective of their social and economic background, then only the answer will be complete. Okay, all are equal before the law, even from the president till a common worker. All has to obey the same laws that is guaranteed in our constitution. Okay, so the next question comes.
Okay, ma'am.
What is a constitution? Carlin, can you talk about constitution? Have you heard this term?
No.
Constitution? Carlin,
Yes, ma'am.
then can you tell me?
Constitution.
Then let me move to Amna. Amna,
Yes, ma'am.
tell me. Constitution.
I don't know, ma'am.
Sorry?
Ma'am, I don't.
It's a book
Okay,
made of
Ishal.
cafe.
Ma'am.
Who can say the answer?
I say
Who is that?
Anan.
Anand,
Ma'am, it's
tell
a
me.
set
Anand.
of rules. Ma'am,
Yeah.
it's
A constitution is a by the government.
Yes, very good. That is
Ma'am,
the
it's a
correct
set of
answer.
rules.
It is a set of rules.
Set of rules.
Yeah, rules and laws. Okay, that is.
Constitution.
It's not clear, dear. Please say it
Ma'am,
again.
it is a set of rules.
Yeah.
Set of rules.
Please, any one of you have to say the answer, please. Let Anand to say this. Anand, tell me. All others, mute your audio, please. Yes. Some audio distractions are there. I can't hear it properly.
Ma'am, it is a set of rules.
Yeah.
Held, ma'am.
Yeah.
Written by Dr. Ambedkar.
Yeah. Recited by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Yes.
Then to be followed by all the people.
Very good. All citizens of India has to follow the laws and the rules set by the constitution. Very good, Hessa. Keep it up. It's a clear answer.
Thank you, ma'am.
Carlin, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Anna, you never heard this term before, constitution?
Yes, I have heard it, ma'am, but
You heard it, but forgotten.
forgot it.
Okay. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Then Amna, you tell me, what is a constitution?
Constitution is a set of rules and regulations
Yeah.
written by B.R. Ambedkar.
Okay, written by means is he is presided it. Okay, he is known as the father of Indian Constitution. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
then it should be the rules and the laws set by the Constitution has to be followed by each and every citizen of India. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
Yes,
good,
ma'am.
good, good. Fine, fine. Okay, that means that we as a citizen of India has to obey the rules and regulation. There is no matter if he belongs to a rich family or belongs to a poor family, a male or a female, whatever may be. Okay, all citizen has to obey the rules and regulations set by the Constitution. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, good. Fine. Okay. Nalvin has joined now. Okay. So, we know that equality by giving equal chance to vote, the democratic countries are maintain equality in our country. Okay, that means that we all treated as equal. But do you think that by simply giving a chance to vote, the people in India are not at all treated unequally? You can say the
Ma'am,
answer. Yes.
ma'am, can you repeat the question?
We had given the chance to vote. That means all adults in the country is allowed to vote. Okay, so it is based on the idea of equality, right?
Yes,
As
ma'am.
I've told you, our lesson is started with the story of a woman. Her name is Kanta, right? And she is working as a
Yes.
maid. She is a domestic worker. Okay, but on the election day, when she went to cast her vote, she could see a long line of people. In that line, she could see that her house owner, okay, then doctors, engineers, everyone is standing on the same queue where she stood. Okay, okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So what she felt that she felt very happy because she felt that she treated equally with the other people. Okay.
Yeah.
Some distractions.
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute. Emlina. Okay. So what I told you is that by simply giving a chance to vote, okay, do you think that inequality is not there in India? Is there any types of inequalities can be seen in the society? That is my question. Afin, Afin,
No, ma'am.
no types of
Some
inequalities are there?
Child labor.
Ah, yes, yes. Then
Dowry.
dowry, okay. Isa, Isa is there?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you tell me, Isa, is there inequality is existing here in India or not?
ma'am, child marriage.
Is Isa is answering to this, right?
No. No, ma'am.
Then Isa, tell me.
Ma'am, yes, there is inequality in India.
Yes. Good.
But it
Where
is
do we can find it? On the
it's
basis of
less in Kerala, but when we go to Delhi or some places like that,
yeah.
we could find there might be a lot of people in the streets. They
Yeah.
when they are asking for a job or something, what the other people who can help them say, they say like, we cannot take you like the caste problem. It's still
Yeah, very good.
India, it
So the
exists here.
discrimination, what Isa meant is the discrimination is happening in the case of their caste. Right? Very good, Isa. That is the correct answer. So listen, children. Inequality means equality we can achieve only when we change our attitude. Okay, and we have to treat others with equal respect and dignity. Okay, okay, but in
Okay, ma'am.
our everyday life, okay, we might come across with many incidents. Okay, that whatever Isa have told, we can see that inequality is still existing in India. Okay, for example, government hospitals. Have you visited government hospitals?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
can you see a long line of patients over there?
Yes, ma'am.
Why it
Yes,
is
ma'am.
happening
Yes,
so?
ma'am.
Can anyone tell me why it is happening there? Because if we visited private hospitals, sorry,
Ma'am, can you repeat the
Ma'am.
question, please?
what my question is, if you are visiting in government hospitals, we can see a long line of patients in the hospitals, right? Government hospitals.
Yeah.
Why it is
Yes.
happening
Yes,
so?
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, many poor people don't
Yeah.
have money to visit the private hospitals,
Very
so
good,
they
very
visit the
good.
government hospitals.
Who said it? Who said it?
Gauri Parvati.
Very good, Gauri. That is the perfect answer. Okay, the government
Thank you.
hospitals in India are mostly visited by the poor people. Okay, and even when they are critically
Yes, ma'am.
ill, they have no choice. They have to stand in the long queue. Okay, because due to their poor financial income, they cannot afford the high fees charged by the private hospital. The exact answer what Gauri Parvati have said, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Good, Gauri. That is the correct answer. Okay. Due to poor financial income, means they have poor financial condition, they cannot afford the high fees charged by the private hospital. So these people experiences inequality. Okay, am I clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
here the people were being discriminated on the basis of their economic condition. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes,
Clear?
ma'am.
Is it
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
children?
Yes, ma'am.
Stefania,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
can
ma'am.
you explain? Can you explain what just I have told now?
Every people are.
Stefania,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah, tell me. Can you explain what I have told just now?
People has just and they cannot
Yes, tell me.
they cannot use
Wait. Let Shifana to speak. Shifana, unmute your speaker. Unmute it.
ma'am, the poor people cannot use
Yes.
facilities,
Ah,
so they are
they will always prefer
government hospitals
government hospitals. Correct. Then,
and
even when they are critically ill, they have no other choice. They have to stand in a
in queue.
long queue. Okay. Am I clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so these people experiences inequality on the basis of their financial condition, right? Economic background. Their economic background is very poor, so they has to face inequality, right? Is the point is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Very good, very
ma'am.
good. Okay, so the next point. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
apart from this poor economic background, okay, the people are treated unequally on the basis of their religion, caste, and gender. Okay, have you heard about untouchables?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me ask you, Tanmay. Tanmay, can you explain the term untouchability? What do you mean by that?
The lower caste people can't go touch the upper caste people.
Go and touch the
Upper caste people.
Yeah. It is the system prevalent in the older days that lower caste people, okay, they are deprived of their social rights. Okay, they were termed as untouchables. Have you heard the term Dalit? Dalit.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Dalit. Lakshmi, can you explain that term Dalit? If you hear Dalit, untouchables that Tanmay have talked now, then can you tell me?
Ma'am, it is one type of region that when they to the schools or when the rich people are not allowed to sit with them or they are not allowed to touch them
Yeah, very good, very good.
to the public places and all.
Oh, very good, very good. That is the correct answer. Here, these people, that means this untouchables, okay, they are not allowed to sit with the higher caste people and also not allowed to touch. And even the public places like temples, public parks, everything was deprived to them. Okay, let me share a screen. Children, please be online there.
Can you write down?
Yes, can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so the word Dalit.
Can you write it?
Yeah, just note down the points, okay? The word Dalit means broken. The word meaning of the term Dalit is broken. Okay, and it is used by the lower caste people to address themselves. Okay, is it clear?
Yes,
What
ma'am.
does the word
Yes,
Dalit
ma'am.
refer to?
Broken.
Broken, correct. It is used by the lower caste people to address themselves. You know Dr. B.R. Ambedkar?
Yes,
Just now we
ma'am.
have discussed.
Yes,
He was from
Yes,
a
ma'am.
Dalit family. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Dr. Ambedkar himself, he was a
Okay, ma'am.
Dalit.
Dalit.
Okay. So during the older time means the Dalit, okay, Dalit means the lower caste people has to face serious problems from the higher caste or the upper caste people. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
2 more minutes. Over. Okay, so children, it's the time to wind up. We can meet on the next class. Okay, and I will send the notes today group. Okay.
okay, ma'am.
How many of you have textbooks?
And we
I
are
have.
I have.
Great.
Ma'am, I don't
I
have.
have the textbook.
Okay,
I
you
have.
can, I will send the picture
I
of the
don't
chapter
have.
today. Okay, and read the chapter. Okay. Yes.
Should we write the notes in paper?
Yeah. I will send the notes that you have to write in a paper. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, children.
Okay,
See you on
ma'am.
the next class.
Ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.